Hi guys, Willie here. Welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick unboxing. We received 3 packages here, so this is the first one. I removed the main envelope already. Yeah, this is the dummy battery for the Sony A6400. Alright, and next mini HDMI to HDMI cable adapter converter, 4K UHD high speed, HD HDMI A to mini C. Alright, and the last one was this. Oh, this is the Camlink 4K Unleash Your Camera. So we're going to use this to our Sony A6400 so that we can use it like a web camera. So this is the Elgato Camlink 4K, right? This is the mini HDMI to HDMI. This is a 6-foot cable. Alright, now we can test our A6400 with these accessories, the Elgato Camlink 4K, the mini HDMI to HDMI, and the dummy battery, so we can have extended light for the camera. Alright, that's it guys. See you on my next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.